Visit DisneyXD.com/I-dare-you and pick which Disney XD star will make this chicken do just about anything.
I do not know what just happened, but I need a bathroom.
Vote online and watch new episodes tonight at 8:30, 7:30 Central.
Breaking it down is
On Disney XD.
Hello guys, this is Faint Assassin here. Today I want to play Stickman dirtbike, and I think it's gonna be really laggy because I'm using a screen recorder. I think, but let's not get to thinking. Let's start with the video. Yeah, and I think it's gonna be laggy because I clicked the start button like 3 times already. Okay, here we go. He's not even on the bike. He's on the wood. Okay, it's really laggy. Okay, race. Race? I never heard anything about race. Huh. Well, let's do this. Come on. Yes, let's do this. Oh shit. I don't know. Is it ready yet? Go! Ugh. Oh, look at my pointed bottom. Oh. So sexy. Oh. Man, he works out so much as he's so thin. Look at him. Oh yeah, bouncing my butt. Oh yeah, it's getting laggy. Oh yeah, no lag spike. Oh, okay. Oh, just when I say that. Fuckers. Damn it. Fucking. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Oh shit. Oh, what does adrenaline mean? I don't really know what the fuck that means. So, yeah, go. Come on, you bitch. You massive bitch. Whee! Whee! Oh shit, oh, this is gonna end badly. Oh, I clicked. Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah. I might have squished the edge of my tires, but that's still okay because I did a black front flip, and I'm fucking awesome. Hop, bitch! Oh, holy shit! Oh, black spike. Oh, Jesus. Come on, go. I'm flying! Daddy, I'm flying! This is just like Happy Wheels, but they don't have the child. Oh, Hop, come on, you worthless bitch! Oh, where is he running to? Where is he bicycling to? Anyways, what? He's gonna bring grocery stuff. He's gonna go to the groceries for his mom. Oh, I guess that. Come on, go, you little bitch! Go, you little bitch! Hop! I'm wee. At least. I could have done a black. Oh fuck! Oh fucks! Go, fuckers! Yeah, I'm flying with the little buddies. Yeah. Whoa, did you see that? He just went back and down. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, well, if you want more of this, tell me next time, and I'll do that for you guys. Anyways, bye.